Hello and welcome again to you from the platform of Qasim Shah Foundation. So which is the best platform for the learning, for getting motivated and for information and getting confidence as well. So that's really wonderful. And today we will just start again by somewhat doing recap of the things which we just did. There were some kind of tips to you. I hope that you have applied them. What I told you, that just have some question in front of you and just speak to yourself. You don't need anyone, so just speak to yourself, answer that so that you can listen through your ears. And think in English, whatever you are going to do. Like if you are just going to do something, so you will say, okay, so I'm going to do this now and I'm going to bring this chair for me. So just speak in English. So इससे बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होता है. When you just think in English, self-talk, that is very important. And for listening as well, I have told you something that you should just listen to BBC English learning programs. So that is very good platform. So listen to that. There are different kind of informative passages. So just go through that. That is with the subtitles. So listen to that. TED Talk is also very good kind of platform. Listen to that. Select your favorite kind of articles from there and listen to your favorite celebrities. So they just share their experiences. वो आपके साथ अपने experiences share करते हैं, उससे भी learning होती है और साथ में English की जो listening है और new words हैं, you will be able to learn them as well. ठीक है? So basically our target is to get fluent in English. Here, not perfect English. I have already told you that we shouldn't be perfect, right? That we are just perfect in English. We can't be. We are not native speakers. But the thing is that we can improve ourselves. So just don't think about perfection, but just try to speak more and more, right? Wherever you want to just go, so just have confidence. Everyone has got confidence in oneself. हर एक के अंदर confidence होता है. बस वो hesitation जो है ना, वो उसको रोके हुए होती है. तो आपने उससे बाहर आना है. Get out of yourself. Just try to speak with maximum people in English and try to make some friends who are just English speakers, who are just foreigners. So just make friends with them. जो friends होता है ना, that is short of friendship. So just go and make friends with them. Doesn't mean that make friends, make friendship with them. So try to make friends with them. So this is the thing actually which will just give you a lot of practice. And fluency is not about speaking very high level kind of English. It is just to speak smoothly and with flow. You can just speak that slowly as well. It doesn't mean that you have to speak very fast. Right? So but we shouldn't be hesitating. So this is the thing कि हमने hesitate नहीं करना and hesitation को remove करना है. उसके लिए हम यहाँ पे different activities करते हैं. Different आपसे question answer session होता है, pair discussion होती है, one word game होती है. So there are different things. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हैं जैसे vocabulary है वो आपको सीखने को मिलेगी इंशाल्लाह. We just did vocabulary with letter A. So here we will just do vocabulary with letter B today इंशाल्लाह. So this is the thing. दूसरा मैंने आपको कहा था कि you are interested, everyone is interested in music. Music में हर कोई interested होता है, तो just listen to the songs and it's better to just listen them with subtitles. So select your favorite singers. There are many English singers, like there is a group Backstreet Boys. उनकी इंग्लिश जो है बड़ी मज़े की है, बड़ी आसान है, उनके सॉन्ग्स भी बड़े जो हैं दीज आर विद रिदम्स एंड वेरी मेलोडियस सॉन्ग्स और वो बड़े इजीली जो है वो अंडरस्टैंडेबल भी हैं. उसको सुने विद सबटाइटल्स एंड ट्राई टू सिंग विद दैट, राइट? सबटाइटल साथ हैं, ट्राई टू सिंग विद दैट और जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द स्लो सॉन्ग्स, नॉट वेरी फास्ट पेस्ड काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. सो जस्ट लिसन टू दैट एंड ट्राई टू सिंग विद दैट. और आप सिंगिंग अगर जब आप करते हैं तो आपके जो वोकल कॉर्ड्स हैं दे जस्ट ओपन और आप थोड़ा सा लाउड हो जाते हैं, जो कि वैसे हम कई दफ़ा हमारी आवाज़ नहीं निकल रही होती है. सो अगर हम ये वाली प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो इससे हम थोड़ा सा लाउड भी हो जाएंगे. लाउड वॉइस में जो है वो बात करने के वी विल बी केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग दैट. ठीक है. सो अभी फर्स्ट जो है हम थोड़ी सी क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन आपके साथ करते हैं and the topic of discussion for today is personality. ठीक है, आप personality के बारे में बात करेंगे. I'm not talking about physical personality. So personality basically क्या होती है? These are basically based on your nature, your characteristics, your qualities. ये सारी चीज़ें एक इंसान की शख्सियत बनाती हैं. So we should work on that more to just have nice personality. So आज आपसे पूछते हैं आपके बारे में कि what kind of personality do you have? इस तरह के question करते हैं आपसे, and you just need to answer in 2 to 3 sentences only. So first question is, tell me what are some characteristics or traits of your personality, because I don't know about you. So it's your turn today to tell me about yourself. So just mention your answer in 2 to 3 sentences. So can you tell me something about your personality? What characteristics do you have?
I think I'm extremely hardworking.
Wonderful.
I'm energetic and
Very nice. That's great.
too much.
All right. And you can't talk too much. You are not chatterbox. Okay.
I'm saying I'm not chatterbox.
Okay, you are not chatterbox. Yeah, I'm saying the same. That you just take some time to just get socialized with others. But it takes some time, definitely. It is not in your case. It was in my case as well. Few years back, I couldn't speak. So because I was thinking that maybe I couldn't speak the perfect English. So that thing was just stopping me from speaking fluently. So इसीलिए मैं कहती हूँ कि we shouldn't be perfect. Just utter your words as much as you can. Okay, so now I'll ask you, what are some qualities or traits of your personality?
Well, I'm a very kind, caring person. And
Nice.
I'm very helpful to others.
Great.
As my family and friends said.
Good.
Or I'm very hardworking.
Right.
I'm working day and night.
Wow, wonderful. That's really interesting. You are very hardworking and you're a very determined person. This is nice. Okay, so yes, can you tell me something about yourself, your personality?
I am very humble and hardworking.
Great.
And social.
Okay, no problem. So there are two kind of people. Some are introvert and some are extrovert. So no problem. That's wonderful. But try to just break the ice and try to speak with people. So try to speak with yourself first. As I have told you, do that exercise, right? And that you will overcome that soon, inshallah. Yes.
The plus in my personality is to help others, to go to the extent, and I'm
Great.
humble,
Very
and
nice.
with others in no time.
Oh, great. In no time. That's wonderful. In no time means that she doesn't take more time to just get friendly with others, to talk to others. Yes.
I'm very humble. I'm a disciplined person.
Okay.
And I'm very socialized person.
Okay, that's wonderful. Extrovert. Wonderful.
Very hardworking and kind person.
Okay, that's really nice. Yes.
I have a friendly nature
Mm.
and I'm talkative.
Okay.
Extrovert to some extent.
Right.
And I'm loving. And I
Great.
have a love for animals, street animals.
Oh,
I
wonderful.
can't see them in a paid.
Okay.
उनको मारे होते हैं.
P-
Animal abuse नहीं
yeah.
देखा जाता.
Oh my
I have a
God.
love for it.
Right, you're very sensitive.
Yes.
Wonderful. That's really nice.
I am kind person. I am hardworking.
Okay, good.
I like children.
Hmm.
But some people are more irritated.
Okay. They just some people irritate you.
Irritate
Hmm.
like children, but
Okay.
why?
Oh, all right. So they get irritated out of them. So, but why? This is the question. We should try to solve the problem today. Okay. Yes.
Me, I'm a very jolly person. I'm very social. I love to make friends. I'm very
Good.
talkative.
Very
I
nice.
have a great love for music, makeup.
Wow.
And literature.
Artistic qualities you have. You possess artistic qualities, and you are very jovial. So jolly is very nice word. So we can also add one word more, jovial. It's like JOVIAL. It's jovial. Jovial means very jolly person who is very friendly, cheerful person. So that kind of person is jovial. Oh, great. All right. Yes.
Well, if I talk about my personality type, I'm an ambivert. But I don't know, I friends.
Okay.
But I like to be around the people who I'm already friends with.
All right, that's wonderful. Sometimes you get grumpy
Yeah.
to some extent. Kuch had tak, to some extent. She gets grumpy, but not all the time. Walaikum assalam.
And I'm doing the writing skill, communication skill, I'm very confident.
Good.
And, I'm a very social person and to know about new things and travel in this
Hmm.
passion.
Hmm.
Thank you.
So, what makes you happy?
With the company of my friends and my teachers.
Okay,
mentors.
that's wonderful. And what makes you sad?
The memorable time with my father.
Okay, that's wonderful. Right, yes.
I'm a gregarious person, and that is what makes me equally an extrovert person as well.
Wow,
And
great.
besides, I'm a reader, and writing is my hobby, and I'm writing for different publications for the past 3 to 4 years.
Good.
And I want to promote this culture in the society because it is dying down
Right.
gradually.
Yeah.
And this is what makes me sad.
Okay, that's fine. So reading is very good thing actually. If you want to be fluent, the other thing which can help you is that to read something. So just have one passage in front of you, or from any novel you can have just one page and read it, but not in your hearts of hearts. Read it loud, right? And first of all, give it one reading, and afterwards just try to beat yourself. Just read it fast. Second time, and read it fast. So when you just read it fast, so it is also good exercise for your muscles of speaking, of your vocal cords. So reading is also good sort of thing. So you just do reading, so just do reading loud now. So think about the good adjectives, good synonyms of good. Word good. What you are thinking about that? Good. So can there be some other words for good? Okay. So we will learn them. Who said yes? Yeah, please tell me one good replacement of this word.
Nice, fantastic.
Fantastic. Okay, very nice. So,
Admirable.
all right, one by one.
Fantabulous.
Wow, fantabulous,
Mildly admirable.
marvelous. Okay.
Phenomenal.
Wow, it's, I really like this word. Phenomenal.
Righteous.
Righteous. Righteous is will be the word for the person who is very virtuous kind of person, who has some virtues and who just goes straight on the way of God. So that person is known as righteous. So for things we will not say righteous, that this is very righteous marker. We can't say that. So he is very righteous person. We can say that. Okay. So it's righteous. So I love this word. This word.
Morally admirable.
Who is saying that? Yes, please.
Morally admirable.
All right. Morally admirable. Okay.
Outstanding.
Outstanding. So just make notes of that. So these are good words. Outstanding. And there is one more word, terrific. It's also very good word, terrific. All right. So it's TERRIFIC, terrific. It's also a nice word. Okay. So awesome. Yeah. Right. So these are very good words. So instead of using again and again the word good, so we should just use these words to give it some change, to just make it more academic one. So give good impression, right? So I think so these words are good synonyms for the word good. Now everything has the other side as well. So after good we are just moving towards bad. So now think about the synonyms for bad. So what are they? Okay, it's awful.
Worst.
Yes, it's awful. One by one, awful. And second word? Yeah. You will just raise hand, right? Yes, that person. Yes, you in red. You with substandard. Wow, wonderful. Substandard. This is very good word. And I have already put ticks These two are very nice words. Yes. What? Dreadful. Oh yes. Dreadful situation. Sometime dreadful situation happen in our life. Unacceptable. Okay. Yes, I like this. And
Mephistophelian.
terrible. Inferior. Wonderful. That's really nice.
Mephistophelian.
Mephistophelian is actually related with some devil kind of. It's really Dr. Faustus. Yeah.
Worst.
No one will understand if they don't know about Dr. Faustus.
Worst can be.
Worst. Yeah, definitely worst. Wonderful. So these are very good words for bad words. All right, for the word bad, good words. So like awful, very nice, substandard, then terrible, inferior, worse, dreadful. So dreadful is actually for situations, and substandard is also can be used for things as well, and unacceptable is also situation. So terrible can be also situation or weather. Inferior is for things, and worse can be used. This is basically the comparative degree of bad, and the third degree is worst. Yes. Disagreeable to some extent, but I think so these are better. Yeah. Unworthy. All right, this is very nice word. Unworthy. That person is unworthy of this kind of present. Wonderful. Unpleasant is very nice word. What? Offensive. It can be of some action. So that action is very offensive. Yeah, this is nice. Wonderful. Good. All right. So we have done so good and bad. So try to use these words. But again, you will be saying good and bad. If you will not work on it, you will be saying again and again the same thing. So try to replace that when you will be having some question in front of you at home. So just try to use these words. So I hope you have just jotted it down on your notebooks. So it's fine. So now in such kind of sultry weather, sultry means very hot. It can be sweltering, it can be you can say scorching. Yeah, humid weather. So I'm thinking about some word cold in such kind of environment. So I think so we should think about cold. So for cold weather we can use word chilly. It's chilly today. It means it's freezing today. We can just say freezing as well. It's freezing today. Good. And there is one more word. What? No, I think so the better word is nippy as well, N-I-P-Y. It means unpleasantly cold. When you feel, you can say shivering kind of stuff. When that is unbearable. So, no, that can't be used. Icy, yes, it's really nice. Icy. So, icy is very nice word. So, it's icy today, it's freezing today, it's sometimes it's even just got down from the 0 centigrade. So, you will say that it's below 0 today. It's below 0 today as well. So that is also nice. Okay. So for cold, these are the words: chilly, freezing, nippy, icy, or you can say it's below 0 today. And now we are moving towards one more adjective word with us, and it is comfortable. So it's not comfortable, right? Comfortable is wrong pronunciation actually. It's comfortable. Comfortable. Yeah, comfortable. Comfortable, right. All right. So synonyms for that. So it's very comfortable chair here. It's very relaxing. Yeah, it's fine. Relaxing. Here, who was saying something? Raise your hand. Yes? Reliable is not in comfort kind of thing. Reliable on which you can trust easily. You can depend on that thing. So that is better. What? Exhilarating. It is something with happiness, you can say, but not with comfort. Pleasant? Pleasant? Pleasant. No, it's not a word. Please. It's, yeah, it's cozy. Yeah, fine. Cozy. So basically, cozy is the word for place actually. You can't say this is very cozy chair, right? So cozy means the place which is very peaceful and warm. So that is cozy, right? And one word which is mostly used these days, that is comfy, right? It's comfy. It's not comfy, it's comfy. So this chair is comfy, or we have comfy furniture here because you are sitting in a very relaxing mood here. So all our chairs are very comfy. This chair is comfy. So means comfortable. So there is one more word, that is cushy. C-U-S-H-Y, cushy. So it basically means comfortable job where you are not stressed, where you are feeling leniency and you are just enjoying your work. So that sort of job is basically cushy. And American people also use it for furniture, for things as well. So you can use for both. So you can use it for both. So you can say, I have a cushy job. I have a cushy job. Or you can say that this furniture is cushy. So these are very good words. So we always say comfortable, comfortable, and comfortable. So we should replace these words with these words. What? No. Moderate is for situation, for weather. So it's not for furniture kind of stuff. Or so these are good words. Just have them in your notebooks, but better to keep them in your mind, here in your memory. Yes. Okay. So there is a word with comforts. We just have some words like convenience, facilities. So facilities, the other synonym for that could be amenities. For that, amenities is very good word. We always say it has many facilities. It has facilities and facilities. Again and again, we just say that. Facilities. That can be amenities, conveniences, and comforts. Right. So these are the better words for facilities. So try to use them, try to make practice of these words, try to make sentences of that. So then that will be there in your memory. Otherwise, they will be there on your papers. Okay, that's fine. So now we should do some activity, right? Activity, yeah?
Where we use reliabilities?
Reliabilities. Reliabilities are basically responsibilities. For that, reliabilities. I have many reliabilities. Okay. So when you are doing job, there are many reliabilities. When you are thinking about your family, there are many reliabilities on you. So in that case, we can just use that. Okay. So now I am just giving you one activity that will be some sort of you can say peer discussion kind of stuff, and you people are very interested in clothes, right, and in stylish clothes mostly, right, but some people are not. They feel that if they are just having simple comfortable clothes, so that's wonderful, that can do wonders for them even. So, but today you are going to discuss about clothes, and I will just write some questions over there. You will just ask your fellow, right, one by one you will be doing that with your fellows. Topic is clothes, and first question is, do you follow fashion? Do you follow fashion? And second question is, where do you buy your clothes? Where do you buy your clothes? So you can ask other things as well. I am just giving you clues to, alright, clothes. And next you can say that, how much do you spend on your clothes? On your clothes per year. And next is, when was the last time you got dressed up very nicely, that people appreciated you? Appreciate, the other adjective for that is commended. Commend mean also to appreciate, commend, C-O-M-M-E-N-D, to praise. Yeah, praise is also the synonym for that. Wonderful. So when was the last time you got dressed up very nicely? Just 4 questions, right? So just start asking your fellow these questions, right? Wonderful. Wow, I really enjoyed that. Everyone was speaking English. Wow, that's really nice. Great. So just clap for yourself. Wonderful. Very nice. Great. Okay, that's wonderful. Keep it up. All right. So I just gave you last Saturday something to do. That was just sort of presentation, and the topic was role of media in that. So I will just mark you out of 10, and just after tea we will do that activity, right? So you will come on dais and you will just present yourself within 2 to 3 minutes, right? So just get ready for that activity as well. After tea we will just do that round, inshallah. Inshallah की English क्या होती है? God willing. Yeah, Allah willing, God willing. Yes, inshallah. Right. और कई दफ़ा हम कहते हैं कोई चीज़ when there is something dreadful, so we say कि अल्लाह ना करे, so we say God forbid. Yes, F-O-R-B-I-D, God forbid. Yes, wonderful, very nice. Okay, so you people are really very energetic today. You people are very agile. Great, wonderful. I just told you vocabulary letter with letter A last time. I hope you have revised that. So I'll just ask you some words which I have already told you that day. Okay, so you will make sentence of that, just right. So first word which we did was that can be any word actually, right? Amiable, right? So the word was amiable. So yes, what happened? You were there in that?
I was.
You jotted down? You don't remember, you have not revised. So do revisions, otherwise that will be on papers, right? So this is the thing. So amiable means, okay, we will just switch towards next. You were there last time? Amiable means what?
Very friendly.
Very friendly. Great. Thanks goodness. Great that you have answered it. All right. So can you make a sentence for that? Amiable.
I like the amiable people.
I like amiable people. All right. Wonderful. And you were there? All right. So affable. What does it mean? Affable. Okay. We will switch to the next. All right. Affable also means very friendly. It is synonym of amiable. Okay. So can you make some sentence?
Jacinda is very affable, and she has shown this during the recent incidences on
Right.
on the Christchurch incident.
Oh yes, definitely. You are right. All right. So next word is with A. Agile. Agile. You people are very agile in this class. That's really wonderful. Agile means very quick, active. Can you make sentence with word agile? We are very agile. Wonderful. Good. Okay. So you were there? You are not prepared. Okay. No problem. But in the next lesson, definitely I will ask you again. This A will not leave you with these. Okay. Okay. Right. So next word is atrocious. Atrocious. I am not atrocious. Atrocious. Atrocious means very cruel. Atrocious means very cruel. So can you make sentence with that?
Indian Army is the atrocious toward Kashmir.
Yeah, wonderful. Very nice. Atrocious. Great. Okay. So next word to you is it's adept. A-D-E-P-T. Adept. Adept. So
I have seen many skilled persons in my life.
wow, she has seen many skilled people in her life, many adept people. Adept means skilled. Wonderful. Very nice. Great. Good. You know the meaning. I am happy. Right. So next word is adapt. A-D-A-P-T. Adapt. What does it mean? Adapt.
Adjust your environment.
All right. To adjust yourself in new environment. Wonderful. Adapt. Good. Right. So next word to you is alleviate. Yeah. Alleviate. Alleviate. Yes. No problem. Yes. To lessen, to make something less severe. So we should try to alleviate the poverty in our country by helping each other, right? Great. Okay. So next word to you is appease. Appease. Okay. Appease means to calm down someone. I am trying to appease my father's anger, right? So appease is that word. Okay. So next word to you is alter. A-L-T-E-R. Alter. What does it mean? Sorry, what? Change. Yes. Change. So can you make some sentence with alter?
Speaking habit.
Oh, wonderful. Very nice. We should try to alter our old speaking habits. Great. So next word to you is, that is, you can tell me about affable. Affable? Sorry? You were absent. All right. So try to be regular from now on. All right. Next question to you, the same one. Affable.
I like friendly people.
Okay. Wonderful. I really like that. I like affable people. Okay. So the meaning is actually the sense is same. All right. So I like affable people. I like, what is the synonym for affable? The other word? Friendly and with letter A, which we did last time. What is that? Amiable. Amiable. That is not, that is amiable. Okay. That's wonderful. Right. So next we are moving towards there. So word to you is agile.
Agile, I had my coffee in the morning, that's why I'm feeling very agile.
Oh, good. That's wonderful. Coffee? You just took coffee. Coffee is really very, is stimulating kind of drink actually. So whenever there is some presentation or any job interview, or you are just going for something which can be stressful according to you, so just have a cup of coffee before that, because it keeps your energy level equal and it stimulates your mind as well. You can just think of good ideas. So this is very nice. Same is the case with eating chocolates as well. So these two things with C, coffee and chocolates. So they just play their role, they just keep you agile, and that's why she is agile.
Yeah, but if you drink a lot of it, it increases your heart rate.
Yeah,
So it's
1 cup of coffee.
So
Yeah,
you have to take
there should be some, definitely, moderate use of everything is required. So definitely you should just take coffee, but just a cup of coffee, that's fine. All right. So next word is, yes, you were there last time? All right, anonymous with letter A.
Okay, so someone you don't know.
Yeah, definitely, without identity. Can you make sentence with that? What is that?
Poem on the road.
Good.
The writer was anonymous.
The writer was, the poet was anonymous. Very nice, great, good. Okay, then next word with letter A. So that is, tell me about appease. Appease. Appease means to calm down someone, to cool down anger of someone, right? So can you make sentence with letter appease? It's a verb.
I want to appease when I'm in anger.
Okay, I want to appease myself when I am in anger. That's really wonderful that you're working on yourself. So it's time for some refreshment, right? So I'll see you with your presentations, and we will also learn something more, inshallah, right? So keep your fingers crossed. Keep your finger crossed means be optimistic and just be hopeful. Keep your fingers crossed, but not for eating. Take your tea. All right, all the best. See you after tea, inshallah.